Here we go, found some fool's gold. You just see it glistening in the sunshine. No, just talk. Be normal. Pretend you're normal, not escaped. Well, you're certainly in good company with my family.
You brought your pickaxe?
Did you find a pickaxe, Amelia? Yeah.
What, you found one? Look at that one there too. Full of it. Don't get close or whack, it's a long way home.
Okay, baby?
Yeah.
Sure you don't want me to lift you? Okay.
Oh, I have some in my foot.
Oh no! You sure you don't want to get your shoes on?
I think I will stop and get my shoes on.
Okay. Let's get the other side of this puddle and do that.
Because we're only going to.
Well, this is the start.
Obviously, I'm only going to eat crisps because I don't like nectarines.
Well, you don't like what?
Nectarines. Nor do I.
What are nectarines?
Peaches
and plums. Sounds like a saying.
Oh, well done, Belle.
Well, peaches and plums, didn't see that one coming. Except for... No, it's okay.
In the end, I put my shoes on.
So we all depend on this right now. Come on.
You can't eat uncooked marshmallows.
You got what?
Uncooked marshmallows.
Obviously, eat uncooked marshmallows. Brings back to it now.
Come on, Boomer.
I don't like cooked ones.
Brings back.
Toasted ones.
I love starting a fire, but I really cannot see the point in eating marshmallows that have been melted.
They are, I think they are nice also.
We're running out of fire.
Yeah, exactly.
They're very strong with this one.
The smoke's good, it gets rid of all the pests.
Yeah.
Guys!
Where's the Toby leaving?
Guys! Almost me! Jack! Toby!
Is it cool enough?
What was that? What was that?
Looks like the
Is that a burnt tongue?
Amelia's just chilling at the top of the North Shore.
She's on Vietnam flashbacks up there.
Come on, darling. Do you want to come and sit by the fire with us all?
I'm getting the smoke on it so it goes more smoke.
There's nothing to arrange here, is there, Mimi?
Sorry.
Oh, the spin bag almost got onto the fire.
I'm just going to hear a plop in the water now.
Like that video where they throw the water into Do you know what we watched the other day? Jackass 3.
Oh yeah, I want to watch that. Careful, Josh. It's getting pretty close. Careful. Don't go down now.
Yeah. Well, after the Marsh Mallows, everyone disperses to get more wood to burn. Apart from some who are playing hide and seek.
7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Flipping out, Josh.
Do you reckon that's going to work?
I think we need to saw that in half. You know, we're going to be here a long time.
Uh-oh.
What we can do,
Is that someone upset? Are they playing?
we can light it, then we can take the other end of it, douse it in the water, use it for next time.
That's good.
Someone's been, I think they've been hacking away using bits of it all the time.
Yeah.
haven't
That's where I found all the twigs over there.
they? Is it?
Well, I've got
So
a
that
tissue here.
roll down. Do you want some blanket?
Oh yeah, look, you can see it bubbling.
Oh.
In the box. It's not a very big box to sit in there, is it?
Should have bought some proper trousers on.
You tell.
If only you had some way of knowing that in Wales.
Knew it.
You knew it.
Yeah, if only if I did find somewhere of you in, that's right.
Oh,
You are correct there, Rachel. Don't you knew in?
I need to go back to.
I wonder where Bella is.
Wow.
You wonder where who is?
Bella.
Well, if you
She
were
seems to be
you would
wandered
pay
off.
attention.
Bella and Jessica. I suppose Henry can always have more kids.
Yeah,
I don't think she can actually, hasn't she been in Spain?
That's a giant cigarette they've got. Oh, there's someone. Oh, oh my arms. Come back here, that log.
Is it going out?
Take shoes off.
3 feet 10 feet.
I'm only joking, gee, I'm joking.
Wow.
Tasty tootsies.
It's a smoke, isn't it? Gets in your eyes.
You're not still suffering.
Oh, that's fake.
Just top lip too.
And more.
And more! Let's run!
More and more and more. Siphon it.
It's got to be out fully before we leave, everyone.
Mine is long.
Good lad, keep it going.
That's a good trip if I saw one.
Thanks, Tobe. You're doing a good job.
That's a fish while cooking on it.
Good job, Belle.
I think. Is everyone satisfied?
No.
Like,
Come Come on, Toby.
Was that empty?
Yeah.
Oh, fill it up.
Why?
Go good empty, mate. Come on, get moving.
Why?
Should we start walking back?
We just have to put one
I
more
think
on it,
Dad
then
should start
we've
walking back.
actually done it all.
Hawaiian resort.
I'm just really cold.
Oh, the last one, great stuff. It would have helped if you'd got it on the fire.
like
Not the hot rock.
that bit right there.
Oh.
You kill that fire, Toby.
You don't want to get your body
I think it's dead.
after doing that because
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to... Okay, boys and girls, we're about to leave the lake, say goodbye to Llyn Parc, and come back another day. I'm pretty sure everyone's enjoyed themselves today, and everyone's glad they came up to Llyn Y Parc for a walk and to light a fire and cook some marshmallows on it. The latter of which I can't really see the point of, but I enjoy lighting the campfire anyway. I believe these plants, if you touch them, they can make you more prone to sunburn. These little flowers on here. There's a good specimen of it. Looks like there's going to be a lot of blackberries, a lot of fruit this coming season. can just make out part of the cycle path, which is a really hard section. Just a little bit further on from this, it becomes rock steps, and you definitely need, well, you could at least do with full suspension on your mountain bike. I've done it a couple of times with my suspension on my front only and my forks, and I've done it pretty well, but with practice and a full suspension setup, you can go a lot better, a lot quicker, and really fly along this section, because it is downhill. But then the downside to the downhill section is this hill here. I don't know if it shows properly the gradient, but it's pretty steep, and cycling up this is it's a really slow process. But if you're going to say you've cycled the entire section, either the short mountain trail as I was just going to say, if you're going to cycle as opposed to push your bike up the hill, it really takes it out of you, this, if you're not 100% fit. This one looks like a bit of a leaning Douglas fir. You can't make out the bottom of it just there, it's obscured by these trees and bushes. Thing with being in the forest, in the Gwydyr Forest, it is just so beautiful. The air is so fresh. It truly is a beautiful place to come and spend some time. I don't know if you can hear, but that's one of my granddaughters calling my name, well, calling Grandad. I'm so far behind them, but within earshot. That's halfway up the hill, and actually it's probably more than halfway down the hill. So do you know what, we're probably about a third along the hill going down to where we want to be for the car. I mean, it does drop further if you're going somewhere else, but down to the saw bench where the bike tracks start. But it is a long way. It's a steep hill. Wow, just take a look at the size of that route. And the tree just goes on up to the sky forever. Wow, here's some really good examples of really tall trees. Yeah, we've had a lot of rain. It's created this little river that runs along the side of the path and crosses it. But you know what? It's always beautiful here. Nearly regardless of the weather conditions, it's a beautiful place to come to Gwydyr Forest. I think this little tree may be a horse chestnut. Well, we're back at the car now, and I hope everyone's enjoyed the walk. Thanks for watching.